BJP state leaders held a joint party organizational meeting in Senapati district today. A team of BJP Manipur Pradesh comprising of Vice President and District in charge N. Nimbas Singh, State General Secretary P. Premanand Maitai, Vice President and former BJP candidate from Karong Assembly Constituency Jonathan Tao, and State Secretaries M. Priyokumar Singh and K. Bikram traveled via road to Senapati, Tadubi and Karong to attend the meeting, which aimed to strengthen party organization and party karyakartas in the district, mandals and grassroots level, and to deliberate on extending help to people of Senapati district. The crucial meeting was held for the first time since May 2023. The delegation held a core group meeting with District President of BJP Senapati district and BJP leaders of Senapati district, followed by another meeting with BJP Senapati district office bearers and committee members at Jaikari Community Hall in Christian Colony. The delegation also attended BJP Tadubi Mandal meeting along with former ADC Chairman Kappani at Tadubi. The meeting was held under the guidance of Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan and Rajya Sabha MP and BJP State President A. Sharda.